Yo, it's your man, Sizzo870. I know you probably wonder what happened to my truck, but I'm gonna show you. All right, so I stripped the truck. I'm getting it ready for car shows now. I'm about to change the rims out. Of course, you see I got the factories back on. I'm about to take these running boards back off. Yeah, you see it. Coyote power, baby. Take all that stuff off. Like I said, got the factory rims back on. Took the bed cover off. Coming with something new. Going with the duck bill back here. I'm about to drop the back end and not lift it. I'm just gonna drop it, make it even. Gonna change the exhaust out, so you'll be seeing new exhaust, new headers, new tail lights. You're gonna see new headlights. Let me go back around. You're gonna see new stickers in the window. New YouTube sticker on the front. Hold on, you can't look at my code. All right, let me unlock this thing. Boy, it still smells good in here. How you doing? All right, so I got these little Rockville 6.5 inches in there that I connected under the seat. That's just temporary. I connected them to this amp, which you seen in my last video. And man, these things are beating. So I'm thinking about either putting 4 of those under the seat because I got the factory subwoofer, and I really don't want to take it out because it's more like mids. Excuse the trash. I mean, I got wire everywhere and stuff because I've been connecting and stuff. But man, when I tell you these things hit hard, the Rockville K9s, they hit really hard. So I got my interior lights. I got my star lights to go in the ceiling that I got to put in. Yeah, I do all my own installations. I got my underbody kit that I got to put on. And my interior is about to change. Yeah, like I said, you can see all the junk over there, all the panels open. I've been connecting stuff. Thinking about going with the Tesla radio to go here. I got a buddy that's like selling his half price right now because his truck got wrecked. Coming with new pedals, new differential lock for the back. Thinking about either putting a Whipple on the engine or either just doing like a ghost tune on it or something and changing the cams out and stuff on it. Like I said, if you don't remember what my engine looks like, I did all that work myself to the engine. That's not the original everything. I mean, I changed everything over on this thing. It's dusty and dirty right now. You'll be seeing it cleaner. I hadn't been able to drive the truck. I mean, I've been really busy working and stuff. I know most of you remember my truck looking like this. But now it looks like this. So I just want to tell you, stay tuned. New material coming soon.